Welcome to Funded Trader Chat with Alexis. Please tell me your name, where you're from, and how you got started in the journey of trading.
So my name is Puti Florin Andrew. I'm from Romania. I started like 15 years ago in this industry or in trading.
So what was that initial drive that wanted you to get started in a career like this?
My parents has a guest house, and there was a client coming there, and he wanted to check his stocks, and I was saying what is all about. I started after to look on the internet about, and from there was the fire.
I love it. How did you hear about Smart Prop Trader?
I started with FTMO first, and I saw the industry in this prop firm has grown. I saw other companies joining, and I speak with many others, and I'm also in Telegram, and we try all many companies and say this is okay. We want to stick with them, with a company who is good, which is good.
Good. Well, we're happy to have you on board and a trader with SPT. So let's dive into your trading strategy and approach. What would you say your main strategy is, or do you have multiple? Walk me through a normal day trading for you.
I made my own strategy over the years because I learned it on myself from tutorials and something else and practicing. But most of the time I try reading candles. So I'm reading the daily, weekly, hourly, 4 hours most of the time. And I'm looking for some kind of candles. Return candles, confirm candles, and many others. In the past, I was a little more greedy, and I wanted to have all the pips in my pocket. But now things are changed. For example, in the past, I wanted to have traders open it before the news, because I know the news will go crazy, so maybe they will hit my trades. But now I close all the trades before the news. I'm waiting, and then I see clear where is going. So now I think prop firm, or they did something in my trading style, because when you are with prop firms, you have to be disciplined.
Yeah. So how do you manage, risk and staying disciplined while trading?
Because I'm not expecting very, very high returns from one time. At the beginning, I was, but now no more. I'm just okay to be consistent, and I'm not expecting 50K amount. It's also 5, 7, 8. It's just fine also. When you expect more, you risk more, but not just that. For example, when you are in profits with 10, 15K, you said I'm waiting more, and I got many times that came to zero or
It's a learning experience. You have to go through that, to find what's going to work best for you, in the long run, for sure.
or maybe I close it.
Mhm.
And I said, okay, I stop until the payout date. And then I saw other opportunities, and I'm on again, and then I lose it half, and the next day I wanted to recover it, and I lose it the other half.
It's a vicious cycle, isn't it?
Yes. If you can see also in the past, I'm not going for the high returns. It's nice, but just one time is not enough, and is not so good. Also for me, also for the prop firm.
Yeah, absolutely. So what do you mainly trade, and how did you decide? How did you finally get to that point of what you trade specifically?
More forex and more gold. Most of the time I trade gold.
So what was the deciding factor? Did you try a bunch and then decide you liked one better, or how did you decide was your favorite?
Before I was a GBP trader. GBP with dollar with Austrian dollar or yen or many others, but I don't like it. I like it, but I dislike because at the end of the day, the slippage and the gap is big, and I got out many times because of that. And one more rule, not rule, but what I do every day, I close all the trades at the end of the day, even are in profit or lose, and I start a new day with fresh balance because I don't want to. I was, or I had some the problem. I was out because I didn't calculate it the 5% or the 4% equity for the next day. I decided to close all the trades at the evening and then open the new ones after the markets open. Like the gold is stopped for 1 hour. So I like gold because it's also volatile, but not as much to like indices, or I like it. I don't know. Most of the news are on dollar. It gives me opportunities to
You
go.
like what you like.
Yes,
So how do you stay on top of market trends and news?
I'm checking all the time. I'm more flexible, so I'm there at when there are news. I'm waiting. I'm checking the investing.com also, so, or many other Forex Factory or many others. I check also some videos, but I see what is going on. For example, also we had one in 1 hour before, 1.5 hour before we had some news.
It's never ending, huh? So how do you deal with like the pressure and the stress of tradings? Do you have any of trading? Do you have any factors or strategies that help you stay focused and disciplined throughout the day?
Over the years, I learned how to trade without sentiment, because when you're afraid, you're not in, or if you're afraid, you're risking too much.
Yeah, exactly. So within that, are you able to walk me through any recent trades that you made, using your strategy and ones that has been your favorite so far or a recent one?
For example, I had some sales on gold on one of the funded accounts. I made like 10K or 11K in a day.
Nice.
Yes, I sold from 1921 to 1910. It was because of the candle. It was a short day, and I think there was some news, and after that I've opened it. I don't remember exactly, but I saw the market is going down. Yes, 3 candles made this, and it was a good point to get out, because then the market went a little back, and the other days changed and got up.
Awesome.
I have many times when I say, okay, I have to stop it, and the market is going more down. Before I was thinking, wow, why did I close it? Wow, why is that? And I open it again, more sales, and the price went back, and I lose it all what I did on that day.
Hey, you gotta be careful of that over trading. It's easy to do
Yes,
that,
yes.
huh?
But now I'm thinking, okay, that's it. What about if the price went back? So I say, even the price is going more down, I'm just okay with this. I have to accept. I have to accept this. I have to accept also that the price could go back, and I'm winning because I close it.
Yeah, exactly. And it's
So
all experience too.
more is about, I do accept more the things not to have all in my hand, because I cannot.
Yeah. Yeah. So how do you, what's been like the biggest challenge you've faced as a prop trader so far, and how did you overcome that?
I was not with your company. It was with other company. and I had only one account, one challenge. I passed first step, and on the second I was like 9% down, and I started to make small trades, and recovered. And after that, I lose it again 9%, and again and again, and I pass it, but
Great.
after many days.
Many hills and twists and turns, but you got there, right?
Yes, but at the first, when you get only some money to have one challenge, two challenges, after you get a payout, it's better. But before you get a payout, when you lose all of them, and then you have to restart, it's something different. But now it's better. Now I know how the things are going. Now I know how to be relaxed, to do all the things with the head and with.
Yep, exactly. So, if you had to give yourself advice 10 years ago, what would you tell yourself 10 years ago about trading? And if somebody's wanting to get in the industry now, what would you tell them?
First thing, I will not be greedy. Second thing, I will accept all the losses, because in the past I didn't wanted to close any trade on red. Even it was 20%, 30%, I didn't want it to close the trade until it goes on the green. But then I changed it, and that is also one point. Accept losses, accept winnings, not complete like even the market is going on the same place, you can make more, but accept where you close it, and accept the discipline from prop firms, because when you have your own money, you can do a lot over the night, but you can lose also in 1 hour everything.
Yeah, great advice.
But with prof firm, you can do constantly winnings, and when you see you can hit or you can pass the first challenge, second challenge, you get a payout, and then you go straight ahead. Don't look for big winnings from one time, look for something consistently, because now one time in 12, 13 days a payout is very good. It's wonderful.
Yeah, very true. What size accounts do you have with SPT right now, currently?
Currently, I have the maximum allowed to
200K?
two account 200K.
Awesome. Nice. And then, so you're going to get a payout after this interview.
Yes.
So after that payout, how much will you have been paid out by Smart Prop Trader?
Overall, or for these two?
Yeah, let's say overall.
I don't know.
Okay, then what's this next payout going to be? Do you know?
So for one account I have 8K, for the second account I have 13K, so it's 21K, and 80% from 21K. So
Awesome.
it's around 16-17K.
Cool. Well,
Yes.
congratulations.
And for both accounts, it's not the first payout. It's like third, fourth, fifth, I don't know.
Amazing.
So I'm looking for consistency, not. For example, today I was able to open some trades, but I had to stay because
Cool collected.
yes. Even the next one, for example, I will make only 4K, 2K, 5K, no problem. I will stay there. Better to wait, because in the market it's not only one chance to make something. There are many, many, many chances, and I wanted to hit or to take all the chances, but it's not okay, because you will make, or the trader will make what I did, over trading. So that's
not good. But I think
it's hard to understand, but it's not good.
Yeah, I think you're spot on with consistency is key,
Yes.
right? Don't be greedy, don't overtrade, don't overthink. And
Yes.
that's our goal here at SPT, is to create, that long-term relationship with our traders. And
Yes.
hopefully, they continue scaling up their accounts and higher profit splits and, becoming our VIP traders. So that's our ultimate goal. So you're well on your way there, and only wish you the best.
Also, yes, also maybe in the future it would be nice to meet the team in somewhere
Yeah,
in
absolutely.
FX Summit or somewhere, and
For
will be
sure. Yeah, I know when we went to the summit, there was some ideas with the SPT team, potentially doing some sort of summit for prop firms in particular and prop traders. So, who knows? Don't quote me on that, but that is something that we talked about, which would be really cool because these interviews are great. We love to form a relationship with our traders, but it'd be really cool to meet everybody in person and
yes,
have some education and some fun times with everybody. So I'll definitely let Ryan and Blake know that, and it'd be a pleasure to meet you and our traders in person. So
yes, of course, yes, of course. I will like it to meet, and I will think about maybe next year I will go again to US and maybe
we'll
can
see. Opportunities are endless, huh?
yes,
Well,
yes.
perfect. Lastly, just mind sharing just how your relationship with our team and experience has been with SPT so far. Would love to hear about your experience.
Everything went so nice. All the team is great. I've got for any questions, I've got so quickly the response. I've got every problem resolved so quickly,
Awesome.
and even any payment I've got or any payout, I receive it all of them.
That's amazing.
And I think communication between trader and the company is most of the time important
Absolutely.
because today there are many prop firms.
You don't have to say it.
Yes,
Well, we appreciate the positive feedback, and like I mentioned, that's really the heart and soul behind what we do here at SPT, and wanting to put the trader at the top and have that, personal relationship with you, and we only want our traders to succeed. So I hope that our viewers and our traders and our community
yes,
realize that, because we really have the heart behind what we do. So
yes. I know it's not easy to have a prop firm. I'm thinking about the people who are working there because they are facing many problems. Or I saw today there are many ways to cheat because many people ask if do you want to pass your challenge. There are many writing me in Discord, many companies, and there are people they accept, and I know you want to find only individual traders, like I trade for me. I'm not trading for someone else, or I don't know do anything like this. But today is not easy to find those people.
you're spot on, and I think that's something that's really important, to just uphold that standard within this community. And like you mentioned, companies reaching out, wanting to pass challenges for you and things like that. That is something that we will never ever accept here at Smart Prop Trader, and
Yes,
I want our community to know that, because we really do uphold that standard. And the second we see any sort of sketchy behavior happening, within
yes, yes.
our community, we take care of it right away. So just know that you're
But
protected, our traders are protected, and we've really put in the proper precautions and everything just to make sure that our business and our traders are protected, no matter what. So I
yes,
appreciate you
and
acknowledging that.
I understand it, and I am also the one who don't want to do these things for others because then I will lose my connection with the company, and I will want to do all the things only for me.
Right. Yeah,
I
you
want
gotta
I
do it.
want consistency. I don't want like you said, like I said, one time something big and then all the life I'm
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. No, I think you got to do always what's right for you and follow your heart and your mind. And especially in a career like this, there's so many ups and downs. So it teaches you a lot about, the industry, but also life as well. So yeah, it's been such a pleasure chatting with you today. Is there anything else you want to share with me or with our community before we wrap up?
Just this. Just try smart prop because they are good.
I
They are
love
very good.
I love it. Thank you so much. It was such a pleasure chatting and I wish you all the success, many more payouts to come, consistent payouts, right?
Yes. Yes.
And
Even is small, even is big, don't.
even if it's small, but we want consistency here. Well, perfect. Again, appreciate your time and hopefully many more interviews to come with you. I know our community is really going to love hearing from you. So appreciate it and we will chat soon.